beautiful, beautiful micro-cemented bathroom walls and floors. We haven't done on the ceiling, but we could have done on the ceiling already. Anyways, so far as well, beautiful, beautiful micro-cemented bathrooms, which with a few, I would say, discolorment of the product here and there, some areas, but so far nothing else. I mean, the micro cement that we've done in here inside the shower, it looks different level. So the floor is done as well with a different product, and the walls we've done with a different product. We've tried to do the same product on the floor as well, but we have filled it up, the floor up to, I reckon, 7 mils at least. We have filled it up on top of the street. And that was one of the reasons that it was not drying properly, and the weather as well, of course, was playing a big role. So at that time, the floor was really soft. That's when we applied our product, and later on we were polishing the walls. When we used ladders here, the ladder sinked inside the product, which is not like at least 80 kilos. I don't know how much pressure it's supposed to take, but it was not appropriate for the floors. And of course, the weather was also playing a big role. It was not drying, but we've tried a different product here, which is beautiful, and it's epoxy based, and it also comes with a different system, like you have to similar to what normal micro cementing is, but this one it has a ratio towards mixing, and you have to mix that for the certain areas. But so far we have to use our 6 kilo pack. I think 6 kilos, like 5 point something, and you mix the powder into it, and it comes. Then it comes up to about 6 kilos. So these 6 kilo kits were expensive. Oh my god. In terms of the product, I reckon if I have the knowledge of the product with the epoxy, I would create my own product. But I'm going towards it as well, just to learn the different process, understanding of the materials. So I don't have to go to these guys and buy this expensive product, because it's not really something that it is kind of like it's a luxury product, especially the way that they marketing it. So it's a good thing, but still, if you can create with the normal product on the walls, you can use the normal product on the floor as well, with the right filtration, with the right ratio of mixing, which still no one's teaching you that, or no one is giving you that knowledge, or no one is telling you. So you have to go there yourself to get that sort of knowledge of the product mixing and all that, which I'm aiming towards that as well. Which I'm still I'm doing some products here and there, mixing up everything, the ones that I've got knowledge for. But micro cement is another level. Still can be done. Alright, so far we've polished our floor.